Welcome to MyHalalGig, the ultimate halal documentation system that makes managing halal and Hajj file become simple and organized. Here's how you can add your product quickly and easily. Click to the product. Click on the Add Product button. Once you are on the Add Product page, fill in the information for product name, certificate expiry date, and upload file. Once all the details are entered, click the Add button. Your product has been successfully added. You can now see it listed in your product dashboard. Click on the eye icon to view the product. If you need to update the product, navigate to the pencil and notepad icon. Click product name to see raw material detail. And that's how simple it is to add product information in MyHalalGig. Log in to MyHalalGig now and simplify your halal compliance and documentation journey. Visit www.holisticsLab.my to know more about our system.